but this is another question on balancing chemical equation. So let's check it out. Now, when you see something like this, the first thing you have to do is to look at the most complex thing here. So this is the most complex thing here, the sulfate part, okay? So you have 3 of that on this side. That means you are going to have to put a 3 in front of the calcium sulfate on the right-hand side so that the sulfate would be balanced, okay? Now that you've done that, you have introduced a 3 here on the calcium, which would mean that you would have to put a 3 here to balance the calcium. Did you see the steps I'm taking? I'm not rushing. I'm doing it one after the other. So now that you have put a 3 in front here, it would mean that your OH would become 3 times 2, which is 6. And that would mean you are going to have to make OH6 on the right-hand side by putting a 2 here. I would multiply this 3 to make the OH6. So you see how one thing affected the next step, and basically that's how you get this done. Now you check and you see that everything is actually balanced. So that's it, and that's all. Bye.